Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check LabVIEW Runtime Engine version. So to check which version of the LabVIEW Runtime Engine are installed on your computer, you can use this method. So this is the most reliable way to see all installed National Instrument software at a glance. So you will open a Mac. So if we go here to the start and type in NE Max and open up this app like like that. This one we are looking for. Okay, locate software in the left hand configuration panel. So expand right here the system, device, and like that. So click on any entry titled LabVIEW Runtime, the exact version and the bitness will appear in the Attributes tab on the right. Alright, like that. So if you don't have Emacs installed, you can check the core driver files directly. So navigate to the directory. So I will open up File Manager right here, go to the Windows, Program Files, and then let's go to the National Instruments right here. Then we go to the Shared, and here we will find LabVIEW Runtime. Open this up. Alright, this one right here. Now click on this file. So LFRT. So we need to find somewhere here a file like this one right here, lvrt.dll. Right click on it and select properties, and then we have somewhere details. Just a moment. And then right here in previous version, if you have some versions, you will find the details. And this is it, how you can read data from check LabVIEW Runtime Engine version. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.